sharing with you my secret recipe for hair fall and strengthening your hair and getting hair growth also. Actually, I am 56 and I was suffering from really bad hair fall, and I have been using this since the last 8 months and my hair has really stopped falling and grown a few inches longer. So I swear by this. I'm just going to warm it. Then you take hibiscus flowers, the red small variety, not the hybrid ones, and just steep them in this oil for a few minutes. Once it's warm, I will remove it and I will add a little castor oil and some vitamin E capsules when I'm going to apply that on my hair. As you can see, the flowers have changed color, and now I'm going to switch it off and pour it back into the bottle. As I said, you can use fresh flowers or I have dried flowers with me. I use both, sometimes this, sometimes that, and I actually make a powder with the flowers. I'm not filtering it. This is pure coconut oil that we get locally here in the south. It's not store bought. There's nothing else added to it. It's just pure oil. Warm coconut oil in this. I'm going to pour it in this bowl. This is the coconut oil with the flowers boiled in it. This is the castor oil that I have. I'm just going to mix 1 tablespoon of it. So you have a different color now. And I have these vitamin E capsules that I'm going to open in them. You just have to cut them open with the scissors and put them in the oil. I just squeeze the capsule into the oil, and now, because the oil is warm, she's going to just swirl it in the oil and massage it in my hair. So this is just natural coconut oil with hibiscus flowers and vitamin E capsules with a little bit of castor oil. You have to apply the oil in the scalp. First, massage it in, and then you can add it to the hair on the top of your head, and then to the rest of the hair. The length of the hair doesn't need much oil actually. The roots should get a nice oil effect and the massage. You can do this yourself also, but just so that I wanted to show it to you all. This is how you're supposed to do it. If I do it myself, it won't come out, the video won't come out that neat. Oil doesn't penetrate the roots into the scalp, but it just nourishes and conditions your hair. So don't think that it's a wondrous thing that seeps deep into your scalp and into your head. It doesn't do that. Nothing can do that. So eat healthy. Don't eat a lot of flour, maida, chocolates. Eat healthy food in moderation. Have ghee instead of oil. Fruits and vegetables. And coconut oil I think is the best for us in the south because it's a bit cooling. In the north I know people use mustard oil, sarson ka tel. So this is virgin coconut oil. You can use virgin sarson also. Castor oil is very good for the hair, so I mix that. And hibiscus flowers are said to be a wondrous thing for the hair, so that's why I mix that too. Vitamin E we all know is good for hair, so all the ingredients are said to be really good. Plus the massage, we exercise our whole body. Just look at the strokes, first in circular motion on the scalp, then on your forehead. She's also scrunching my hair. This is so relaxing. I do it myself since the past 6 months. I just ventured into this so that I could post for the Alexa challenge. The most stressed points are the nape of the neck and the shoulders. And to relax those, the massage really works well. You can ask anybody at home to give you this massage. It can be your daughter, your husband, your mom. Anybody can do this. So you don't need to go to a parlor for a spa. This is the best home spa, I would say. Before going to bed, you can do this. Warm oil, massage it into your hair. It really relaxes you. The massage is done now, and now I have this bowl of warm water. So she's going to dip it in a small towel in the warm water and tie it around the hair. That's what a sauna does. That's the spa treatment. It locks in all the moisture and the oil in the hair. Just roll the hair, bring it to the front. This is how you can do it anyway. I'm just showing you. I just have this shower towel that I use. You can get it anywhere on Amazon or in any of the beauty shops. Within a few weeks you can see that your hair fall will lessen and your hair will grow longer. So all the best. Try out my oil and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you'll be getting many more tips like this soon. Thank you.